Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering everything: a wide tooth comb, tail comb, clips, appropriate solvent or a low-heat tool, and scissors. Once ready, section the hair into small 1-2 parts and clip away the rest so you focus only on one area. Start at the lower perimeter where extensions are easiest to access. Apply solvent or gentle heat to the bond for tape or keratin pieces. For clips, open and release. Doing this reduces tension and prevents pulling on natural hair. Now you move through the middle, where the removal is more delicate. For Tay-pins, apply solvent to the edge, wait 1 to 2 minutes so adhesive softens, then gently slide the extension away from the scalp. For sew-ins, expose the knots and carefully cut or use a seam ripper to free the braid without cutting hair. Remove thread in small increments. For bonded keratin tips, soften the bond with low heat and break it apart. Then comb out leftover residue to avoid matting and breakage. Finish by removing any remaining adhesive or thread, then shampoo with a clarifying or gentle low-sulfate formula to remove buildup. Once clean, apply a deep conditioning mask and detangle from ends to roots with a wide tooth comb. This restores moisture and helps hair recover. Trim any damaged ends and use a leave-in treatment to strengthen strands. If you encounter severe matting, persistent pain, or broken hair, stop immediately and consult a professional stylist to avoid further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.